Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on video duration and message here, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you select video duration and message. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.